Off to Great Escape Publishing's event over in Baltimore, here at the airport in Seattle. Taking off in about 45 minutes. Gonna start loading here pretty soon. It's rainy, cold, wet. Off to cold and a little bit of slush and snow.
Boarding on the right-hand side.
Made it on board. 21F over the wing. Kind of rainy today. That should be a good flight.
This is AlaskaAir.com. Thank you for choosing Alaska Airlines.
Okay, made it to Baltimore. Now we're off to the hotel. Meet up with the Great Escape crew. All right, made it to the hotel here in Baltimore, just downtown. And of course, the first thing I have to do is set up a camera and start doing a time lapse. Tonight, I think I'll head out, grab some dinner, take my camera, take a couple pictures during the blue hour, and look forward to tomorrow with the Great Escape Publishing folks, teaching a class and doing a bunch of other stuff this weekend. So doing some lecturing, doing some street walks, some discussion on mobile phone photography and how we integrate that into our everyday photo business. So it's gonna be a blast of a weekend here, 4 days. Really looking forward to it. So we just started here at Baltimore. This is the Great Escape Publishing Ultimate Photo Workshop, and the folks are crowding in. Breakfast is served. In just a few minutes, we're gonna get our keynote speech from Lori Allen. And then really cool, I'm looking forward to this, we've got Joe Sindorf talking about his mission work and his travels around the world. I'm not up till later today. Looking forward to that as well. We just finished the morning session for Great Escape. That was good. Some inspirational words from everybody. Talked a lot about composition and trends in the industry, things to think about as a photographer. Now we're on a couple-hour break. I thought I'd walk downtown and photograph some of the local area. Also, I'm gonna go get a burger. Rumor has it there's a Five Guys around the corner. Can't go wrong with Five Guys. Found it. So it's day 2 of our Great Escape Publishing Photography Workshop series, and looking forward to it. We're gonna go outside today. We're gonna photograph with a bunch of small groups, and we'll each have a breakout group. My breakout group is on editorial photography. So we'll be walking around downtown and creating an editorial sequence of photographs. And my goal is to have them kind of tell the story of the downtown harbor area with a group of photos. Yesterday was awesome. We ended up yesterday shooting Blue Hour, and Blue Hour over the downtown harbor area. Fantastic, it was great fun. I think we had about 30 photographers out there, and it was cold and windy, same as it is this morning. It's about 30 degrees outside, maybe 35, so I'm not gonna be out here very much longer. Fortunately, the sun is out. There it is. And it should warm up to about 40 something degrees for our photo walk here in about an hour. Let's go in and look and see what's going on this morning. So we're in front of the USS Constellation, and we just talked about editorial photography with my group. And one of the things that I teach is we need to really take 3 photos I've ever seen. A wide angle shot to kind of set the stage, medium shots to give some context, and then a detail shot to show all the minutia. And each of them have an assignment to produce a little photo story that shows the wide, the medium, and the detail. They're all over there taking pictures, and over this way taking pictures. And I just broke off here to take some photos of this beautiful downtown harbor. It's fantastic here. What a great day down here on the Baltimore waterfront. Lots of people out, the sun is out. Sunday right around noon, and just gorgeous. It's chilly. It's like it started out 30s this morning, but now we're up to probably 40, 42. I have my gloves on and my hat on all day just to stay warm. Well, that's a wrap on the Great Escape photography event this weekend here in Baltimore, Maryland. Had a great time. Lots of great workshops, lots of great people. Met up with a lot of friends, the instructor team, the Great Escape team. Had a great time this weekend. So now I'm finishing it off with a workout here. And then since my flight isn't out till 7 or 8 p.m. tonight, I'm gonna go downtown, do some photos, do some video, eat some Chick-fil-A, and then head home to see my family. So until next time, see ya.